In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Adobe Acrobat's internet connection in just 5 minutes. This simple process will ensure that Adobe Acrobat cannot access the internet, which can be useful if you want to prevent unwanted updates or other online activities from the software. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to search for Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security in the Start menu and open it. This built-in tool on Windows allows us to set specific rules for programs to control their access to networks. Once you have it open, look to the left pane and select Outbound Rules. Outbound rules are essential here because they regulate the flow of information from your computer to the internet. Now, head over to the right side and click on New Rule. This will start the process of creating a rule that will block internet access for Adobe Acrobat. In the rule wizard that pops up, choose the Program option and click Next. Selecting this ensures that the rule we are creating is applied specifically to the program in question, Adobe Acrobat in this case, rather than a general rule that might inadvertently affect other applications. The next crucial step is to find the path to the Acrobat.exe file on your computer. This file is usually located in the installation directory of Adobe Acrobat. You can typically find this by right-clicking on an Adobe Acrobat shortcut and selecting Open File Location. Copy the path and paste it in the designated field of the rule wizard. Then move on by clicking Next. After selecting the program, you'll be prompted to choose what action you want to apply. Here, select Block the Connection and click Next. This setting means that any attempt by Adobe Acrobat to connect to the internet will be halted. Now, it's important to ensure that this rule is enforced across all network types. Check all the profile checkboxes: Domain, Private, and Public. This step is vital to cover all scenarios, no matter which type of network you're connected to, ensuring the rule will always be applied. The final step is to name your rule something clear and recognizable, like Block Adobe Acrobat Internet. Naming conventions are important for easy identification later. Especially if you have multiple rules set up after naming, simply click Finish to apply and save your new rule. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked Adobe Acrobat's internet connection. Remember, doing this can help if you want to reduce bandwidth usage or if you don't need the software to check for updates online. As always, ensure the changes you make align with how you use the software and the features you require. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials.